good, Sandeep. It was a very insightful session. I would say very less people in industry share their insights, and I'm happy to see and engaged with your organization to have those insights learn. So this is nothing but learning from the experiences rather than the content, right? So you're sharing your experience rather than just a book from a, from a book of knowledge, right? So thank you so much for sharing your knowledge and your experiences. Yeah, I believe the case studies and the practical approach. I mean, asking the members, participants to be in that position and then work on it is I believe is very less thing I have experienced, and I think this is the one which I liked very much. That understanding and learning is easy, but learning and trying is difficult, right? So to see where we are is and then judge what we need to work upon is, I think, the best thing that I've learned today. That stands out the session for me.
So for me, yeah, like what Mahesh mentioned, the real-time scenarios were very interesting, and it had given me a good insight on what's happening currently in the industry, not only on program management, but also on the agile methodologies and product owner role as well, which I'm focusing on. Um, and the templates that are being shared, that is kind of very useful for the roles that I'm looking forward to. So thank you for the session and especially your energy. I think you were consistently maintaining. I got tired, but I think you were on the same frequency all the while. So thank you for that as well.
Yeah, first of all, thank you for the program and the time taken for this one, Sandeep. Yeah, it's very good, interactive, and met many of new friends. And yeah, it is like 2 days long sessions were there. Yeah, but there were ups and downs. Like we had a very good interesting sessions, and we had very good exercises also. We learned so many of new things here, which has been done, and also about the program management, the conflict management, or the leadership. Everything was very fine, and the role plays which we has been done, it is fine. And the last about the disc, and that was very fabulous. So that's it from mine. Thank you.
Yes, and thanks much, Sandeep. It was a very engaging workshop, like 8 hours. I mean, almost 8 hours and 2 days. Now it looks like it went so fast, and we have covered a lot. And thanks much. You are very vibrant and very energetic. You kept us awake and you kept us involved. That is one plus point. Because I attend some other meetings more than 2 hours. It was little hard to stay on. But then even it's a surprise for me that I also stayed like close to 7 hours at the stretch. So that is good. And the content was also good. You covered pretty much the key areas, and especially one area where I found it very useful was the different roles, responsibilities, designation. I was a bit confused here and there, but then more clarity I got. And I'm more confident now. The fact that you have added some more value in terms of templates, in terms of some of the key areas where I think I could look into and plan well for my preparation for the next, next interviews, whichever I plan to take up. And their leadership styles, as well as the mock, the role play that we did, everything was good. So overall, I think you have touched upon the key points, and it's a very value-added workshop. Thanks much.
Yeah, sorry, my camera is not coming up again. I logged off and logged in again, but it isn't coming up. But
sure.
Anyways, Sandeep, it was very good an experience. So last 2 days, very good an experience, and whatever you taught, some of the times I figured out that I have been doing that, but didn't know that it is a part. This is the way it was being presented, and this is the way it had to be. The formal way of doing the things, and it was very good. So, like you showed us that simulation in Jira. I have worked in Jira, but never in this detail. I used to just check Jira outcomes, timesheets, and all. And so it was very informative for me. It was very good, and And yeah, as everybody else said, you were very vibrant and it was very good actually. I mean, your energy is very good and it was very good learning. And I think we truly covered a lot in 2 days, and this will go a long way for all of us.
Thanks, Sanjay, for the good session and coaching you have given to us. Basically, as you know, I come from a pure IT service type of industry with zero exposure to product-based companies. So now I have got a good insight of working how the things work in a product-based company, and what are the various templates and the process they follow, and what is the expectation there in the product companies. Earlier, when I see any product company for a job, I don't apply, seeing that it will not set to us, and I will apply only for a service-based company. So my perception has changed now that I can fit in product-based companies also. That is a healthy sign for me for my future. And all the templates and what we have given is a real day-to-day life work which a program manager follows or does it. So that is a good like hands-on experience of a program manager. It has given us that feel. So I think with this you have given us a strong, solid base of program management from which we can scale up to bigger heights. Once again, thank you for the wonderful sessions we had for the past 2 days.
Actually, first of all, I have to say thank you for her. So, actually, really, this workshop is very good for me because I am new in this field. Because I didn't have travel or all these things. Actually, I worked on mostly private companies only. So which one is in a small scale company. So now only I am entering to the MNC field last 2 years back. So while attending this class, I feel what are the mistakes I did in previous, so I can able to correct myself. And then I have very much confident build up myself to attend the next level of interview and how to focus with the programming role and managing role and all. So it is very good helpful for me. Thank you.
So first of all, thank you very much for this 2 days session. And the course content and everything was very aligned, I would say. And you just shared whatever the information actually we needed. I have attended multiple sessions previously, different type of trainings. But this training was actually aligned with practical knowledge. It's not some bookish knowledge where you just talk about the concepts. It's in this session you shared how everything is practically managed. So thank you very much for that. In this sessions, especially the leadership point, I feel I need to work a lot. So with this practical information that you shared, it will helpful for me. And also the templates that you are sharing, I can see some of the and I can feel them aligned with actually what I am doing currently as well. So I can utilize them right away after soon. So for everything, I think that that was a great session. The 2 days was, I can say, very quick, and you shared a lot of detailing. So yeah, also thank you very much for everything, the knowledge you shared, the practical knowledge you shared. So thank you.
It's okay. So, Sandeep, first of all, most of the points are covered by my colleagues, but still, I just want to say thank you very much because you shared us a lot of insights and your practical experiences, what you had in your past IT experience. And also, like I enjoyed sessions like situational leadership. I enjoyed a lot of topics in that because I was not most aware of those things and all. Like, and I actually my expectation of session was to like I wanted to take this program management role as soon as possible. So I'm getting that confidence to start preparing myself step by step. Maybe within 2-3 months I can try for that role. So thank you very much, Sandeep. Thanks a lot. And some of the basic mistakes what you do in the interview questions, behavioral and those things also definitely because we are able to assess ourselves now.